Let's start. Biotic components are based on producers, consumers, and decomposers. Who can tell me what are the producers? Yes?
The producers are that make own food.
Own food. So this is a picture of plant. Plants can make their own food in the presence of sunlight, and the process is called
Photosynthesis.
brilliant. That's great. Now come to the second biotic component. They are the consumer. Why do we call them consumer?
Because when producer make food, the consumer eats this.
Excellent. It means that the consumer can consume the food making by the producer. Are you agree with that? Okay. So what are the decomposers?
So when producer make food, then consumer eat food, and then decomposer eat consumers.
Okay. So now the students A biotic components are what?
Air, water,
Temperature. Okay. So now beta, in this picture, what are the biotic components? Quantify. Yes.
So grasses,
Okay.
animals.
Okay. So if I'm talking about this water, is a biotic or abiotic component? Abiotic component. But if there is no water, so the living thing can survive. It means they both are interdependent of one another. Are you agree with that?
Yes, sir.
Oh, thank you. Okay, students, we are working on different habitats and we are working in group. See, habitat is a place where a living thing can find food, protection and shelter. So there are two main kinds of habitat. The first one is aquatic and the second one is what? Terrestrial habitat. Okay, aquatic means is that water. So all the living organisms that live inside a water, they all come in a category of aquatic. Okay, so now it's up to you. Quickly tell me what are the aquatic animals habitat, like sea, lakes, ocean, ponds, okay, rivers, streams. Excellent. So in a similar way, those living things, they can walk, taken on land. They are called what? Terrestrial. Excellent. So quickly tell me, what are the terrestrial habitat do we have? Like forest, grassland, savanna, desert, tundra. Excellent. Keep it up. Pick a horse and put it over there. Excellent. 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 Okay, that's it. Now your turn. Pick a grasshopper. Okay. Now your turn. Spider. Spiders. Yes.
It is a population of horse.
Excellent. So now what about this?
It is population of grasshoppers.
Excellent. What about this?
Sir, this is a population of spider.
Excellent. Take your seat. Now, beta, this is what? This is a producer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, eaten by consumer. Okay, and then consumer is eaten by second consumer. This is primary consumer. This is secondary consumer. Okay. So always remember that this arrow shows eaten by. The symbol of this arrow shows what?
Eaten by.
Like grass is eaten by deer, deer is eaten by wine. Explain your food chain.
Plant grass is eaten by rabbit. Rabbit is eaten by fox. Fox is eaten by leopard.
Okay. So what is that grass in this food chain?
Grass is producer in this food chain.
Okay. Why do we call the grass as producer?
Because, sir, they produce own food.
They make their own food. Excellent. And how many consumers are there? You tell me how many consumers are there?
Primary consumer, secondary consumer, and tertiary consumer.
Excellent. Keep it up. Now clap. solution, pick your resources for your 3D model. So quickly come here.
Rainforest habitat is completely covered by plants, and trees. This is the best survival habitat for animals because the temperature of this habitat is very attractive and normal temperature.
Just tell me about this project.
My name is Jesse. This project name is Desert Habitat. It is very hot and waterful place.
There are lots of grassland.
Temperature is seasonal, cool, hot, dry.
My presentation is on Arctic habitat.
What is article field? Their temperature is very low, extreme cold, extreme wind, extreme physical changes in daily life.
Do you have an idea about any species of any living organism that are endangered? Yes, 5.
Some giant pandas.
Giant pandas. Excellent, yes.
Sir, white lions.
White lion. Excellent. So, do you know the reasons why they are endangered? Yes.
Day by day, temperature increases.
Excellent. Yes. What about you?
Some people are hunting.
Excellent. People are hunting the animals. Yes.
But it's for our marketing purpose. Like we buy leather jackets, we buy leather boots. This leather is made up of animals.
Excellent. Animal skin. Excellent. What about you?
Deforestation.
Deforestation. Yes, it is one of the main reasons. Yes. What about you?
Increase pollution.
Population increase. Okay, when the population is. So now, my student, you shared a lot of factors that affect our earth, our biodiversity. So in order to overcome those factors, what should we do? Yes. Yes.
Sir, we have multiple ways like media, social media platform to stop.
Excellent. Social media is the best platform to promote the awareness. Excellent. Yes. What
We
was?
make poster and do gallery work in our school boundary.
I am Abdul Muid. I am reporting from Government Compulsory Boys Higher Secondary School. Here, students doing an activity. Let's take their review right now.
We are doing campaigning and then are also gallery work.
We are doing a campaign for the save the earth, save the habitat and save the biodiversity. Stop pollution, follow the solutions. Plant more trees.
Save the habitat, save the earth, and makes the earth green.
Technologies in this project, and the students they are quite involved in it, and it's kind of refreshing to see these kind of things happening here.
जरिए उन्होंने जो बच्चों की स्किल पैदा करी है वो उनके अंदर जो प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाए उन्होंने, इसके अलावा उन्होंने जो है वो बच्चों ने बड़ी अच्छी क्वेश्चनिंग भी दी और फीडबैक बड़ी अच्छी दी है। तो
तैयार करना या खुद प्रोजेक्ट तैयार करें और खुद डेवलप करें, ये मैं बहुत मुबारकबाद देता हूँ।
We are very glad to see your activity that you involve ICT in your projects. Like being a science teacher, I always use charts and panaflexes for explanation. But
ICT based learning, activity based learning, approaching that student centered approach instead of that old methodology we are doing.